from here, the front of the room, to the back of the room, because you're the leaders now. We've been involved as kind of coaches and facilitators for some years now, but you are most definitely the leaders, and we're very proud of that and hope you are too. We also wanted to, in recalling the earlier days of this group, remind everyone, and some of the new folks might not be aware, this project to create digital repositories for health came from you. It didn't come from us. And one of the early pioneers of this in this group is Abda An from Mali. In fact, Abda wanted to come to the National Library of Medicine for the Associate Fellowship because he wanted to create a database of all the theses and dissertations. So the idea really came from within the group, and we've tried to act as facilitators, fundraisers, meeting organizers, whatever, champions to help make this happen for you.